But I just want to place Fadnavis's heckler takedown in context of other heckler takedowns that politicians from this party have done. Okay?
Which party? Be clear.
BJP.
Oh, that party.
Yeah,
Okay,
that
okay,
party.
okay.
Sorry, there's only one party.
Yeah, there is.
I don't know the other party.
There's only
That's
one
why
party, there's
I
only
was
one.
confused when you
What a
asked
stupid
which
question.
party. There
I'm
was.
old, yaar.
I'm sorry.
Sometimes
Yeah, I forget.
consciousness is
No
not
worries,
there.
Ank.
Yeah, more than Ank. Ank के ऊपर क्या होता है?
Smriti Irani was asked that onion prices are getting higher.
Yeah.
What do you want to do about it? She said, I don't eat onions.
That's a
Fair
great
answer.
one. Yeah,
Fair answer. You can't do anything after that.
Yeah.
जवाब नहीं है उसके बाद. But what do you come back with?
How dare they
Yeah,
not know she's Jen?
Yeah, but
Not to me, Rani James, but I get your point.
Okay.
Nirmala Sitharaman, she was asked, what do you think about the fuel hike affecting households? She
This is
said,
back in the day, but
yeah, back in the day. Like,
Yeah.
I just feel diesel has gone down by
years
20 paisa.
Oh, is it?
I might vote BJP. It all depends on the moment.
Correct.
If it's gone down
That's
and then
true.
I'm voting BJP. If it's
Yeah.
gone up and I'm voting still
BJP.
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 Can't take a
Yeah,
chance.
I mean, I don't know who else are you
I
voting
don't-
for.
I mean, I don't think you
What
get-
did I say about age?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
मेरा
Yeah, I
oxygen
forget.
लाना!
Yeah, lao, jaldi lao.
Khatam hai oxygen.
But I put it from the other end, so you'll have to help.
Okay, done.
God
Not a
bless.
problem.
God
I'm
bless.
okay.
No.
I'm fine.
You'll have more carbon dioxide.
Yeah, that's okay.
Back to our anchor.
Yes.
Fuel hike affecting households. Nirmala says, not a housewife issue.
Oh, that's actually
This is a
smart.
huge lobby.
Yeah.
Housewives are a huge lobby, so if she can collect the housewives to say, boss, stop asking me this question.
Yeah.
You know, there's more to me than this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, what she was trying to say is that there's no such thing as housewife. It's a house person.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Our last candidate for this is our esteemed Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi.
I'd plead the fifth, even though I'm not American.
I think it's a 10 on 5 already.
Yeah.
I don't
think
even need to know
the
what
right
you're
to
going to say.
remain silent and appreciative,
Yeah.
both at the same time.
Only respect.
Yeah. Should we stand up?
Yes.
No. You'll be out of the camera view, bro.
It's okay.
At this moment, your
That's
vision
the
is
best
more
part.
important. Yeah.
I mean, Modi, when he was heckled, he said that मुझे गाली देने वालों को भी मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ. So you
under
guys have
certain
been
circumstances, I would rate it a little differently, but present circumstances, I'm saying great.
great.
In fact, I think I was wrong. It's not a 10 on 5.
It's a 40.
15 on 5.
15 on 5.
15 on 5.
Yeah.
Wow. Perfect.